Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso Po near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan Kitiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hanong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Rakhe yaka Women's Day da ka health checkup, ringkat bat ka Woodland Hospital Shillong.
Ka Woodland ENT Clinic Speech and Hearing Center harangkat ka jingitrelang bat ke AYJNISHD bracket D ya kabalabay jingirap pisa da ka Artist Enterprise ha ka laitrig unay leber arajar arpuway. Kalarakhi ya ka World Hearing Day halor ka pang ka baong Hearing Care for All. Kajingtmo bala penlong ya kani kajingrakhi kum shibenta ban ay jing hikay ni kabenta ban yada na kajingdo no ya ka bor yo sngo madru ya ka scheme AIDP makajuyarap ya kipat ba nong shong snong jong kajalami galia habakingat hakani kajingpang. Hagani ka snila ay jingkren bat la ay jing pensay da ka specialist ENT ka Dr. Hanifa Akhtar bat ka audiologist ka kong One Simply Marwen ha kabalaya simbentalang da kinong tre jong ka Woodland Hospital kuntubru ya ka kong Rebecca Marwen kabalayo pediang ya ka tiar jingerap ha ka bor yo sngo baklemdon kam ban siu pisa AA Watshinayaru.
The main aim of this theme is to raise awareness among the people how to prevent hearing loss, and second thing is to let them know about, to give them the importance to promote the care of the ear and the hearing. Okay, so as you can see here, this logo is of the WHO, World Health Organization, for the World Hearing Day 2021. Every year the theme is different. So as you can see here, the hearing care for all means the hearing is related to speech, and it is important for people of all ages across the globe. So as a part of observing this day, we have done activities like, as you can see here, to create the awareness, we made these pamphlets. So in the pamphlets, these were distributed to the common people who are attending the hospital and our clinic for the period of last 7 days. So what we are going to do by doing this is so that they are aware, like what is a hearing loss, what is the common causes of hearing loss, how the hearing loss will have, they will know in a child, what are the symptoms in an adult, and how to prevent. So EDIT scheme is a scheme by the Government of India by Department of Disability Affairs under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Okay, so the disability, it is not only the hearing disability. So since I am an ENT doctor, so I am concerned about the hearing disability. So under the EDIT scheme, there are two aids which are given by the government. One is the hearing aid and second is the cochlear implant. So our hospital is empaneled for the cochlear implant. So that is like fitted surgically. But hearing aid is like, which is an it's an aid to augment the hearing, whatever hearing this patient is having, to augment the hearing. So hearing aid is different from the cochlear implant.
This EDIT scheme is provided by the Government of India under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Okay, the main motive of this scheme is to provide assistance to disabled persons for purchase of aids and appliances. Okay, as our hospital is empaneled for cochlear implant, those children having hearing loss can undergo cochlear implant under this scheme. Okay, this scheme covers the cost of the cochlear implant, which generally costs 67 lakhs per implant. Okay, second, it will cover the surgery cost and the traveling cost, that is 200 per visits for 1 year. But there are criteria that needs to be fulfilled. First, the child having hearing loss should have a mild, severe to profound degree hearing loss in both ears. They should have a disability certificate. They should be an Indian citizen. Their parents' income. Yes, their parents' monthly income should be less than 20,000 per 20,000. And there are two categories. Okay, first, those children having hearing loss since birth. The age criteria for them is up to 5 years of age, and for those who acquired hearing loss, okay, after their speech and language is developed, the age criteria is up to 12 years of age.
Actually, she identified during our telecamp in Mumbai. Keep the data.
Dia kenduk ikan di hospital bukan ni aku bangun dia ikut bulan suat kalau le isin ayah aku pak di Guipat idon ki belum ki ba plan na paling di khar wa idon ding na manang na ang kakak sentuh ran di ki gai nanta pun kini ki ang bapak naman orang ki ba ki ba ha tikan no ni hospital kalau le isin ayah ya kapan ayah ke sakri yang pi pan ai ka ai tung sumar ai yaki manong no bagi babun pada manong di ko pingat di ko manong di ko buang manong kan pendut ang tangri dan kalong ke ko pu yaki ma kalau long ko ke ko pu yang akan terjadi dinama kata kita kini ke orang ai di hospital kan lagi kan rai nang ni buat syafran bapa mengirimkan bukan ke dalam keliru untuk ibu ada di pinang nak tambah nang penlit je kata kau buat kebuat orang nak bentaban penan belum yang diberi, undai nak bentai.